Season's greetings to you from us here at Jamaican Insider. In fact, Merry Christmas! As a predominantly Christian country, Jamaica observes Christmas Day, December 25, as a public holiday. It is the time to celebrate the birth of Christ and for friends and families to come together for a good time as they exchange gifts and feast on good food. In this video, we will look at 7 things to know about Jamaica's Christmas traditions. If this is your first time here, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so now. We have videos on Jamaican culture and so much more. Also, please watch until the end of this video for a chance to win a prize from us. Now, let's begin. The 7 things to know about Jamaica's Christmas traditions. Number 1, the Christmas songs. Some of the most popular Christmas songs in Jamaica are those of North American origin. This is probably strange for some non-Jamaicans, as many of these songs mention activities associated with a cold winter season. Jamaica, being a tropical country, is not a place to go dashing in the snow. Neither do we have a white Christmas. Nevertheless, these songs, among others, can be heard every year on Jamaican radio stations. Fortunately, some Jamaican musicians have managed to successfully capture the Jamaican Christmas experience in songs such as Christmas Jamaican Style, Christmas in the Sun, and others. We recommend you give a listen to them when you get the chance. Number 2, baking fruitcake. A Jamaican Christmas season would be incomplete without the practice of soaking fruits months in advance to make fruitcake. The baking of fruitcake is usually a family affair, as children may be seen in the thick of things as they help their parents, oftentimes adorably making a mess. Number 3, making and enjoying the sorrel drink. Sorrel, a hibiscus, is used with ginger, red label wine, and rum to make a delicious drink for the season. Fruitcake and sorrel go well together and are often given as gifts to friends and family members. Some businesses take advantage of the season and offer sorrel-flavored treats. An example of this is the tasty sorrel ice cream that may be had at some shops. Number 4, putting up Christmas trees and other decorations. As is the case in many other countries, it is popular to put up a well-decorated tree in most Jamaican homes and in public parks and spaces. Number 5, Grand Market. This is a time for shopping for last-minute gifts or just to hit the road and take in the colorful and energetic atmosphere on the streets. Persons would be dressed in their best outfits as they enjoy the music and street food on offer. preparing and eating the Christmas dinner. Now, after worshiping at church on Christmas morning, many would head home to prepare this elaborate meal, which may comprise, among other dishes, roast beef with rice and gungo peas, curried goat, and we can't leave out the honey glazed ham with pineapple. And finally, number 7, Boxing Day activities. Boxing Day, the day after Christmas Day, is generally reserved for a visit to a nearby beach or river with friends after spending the previous day with family. And there you have it, 7 things most Jamaicans do at Christmas time. We hope you enjoyed watching. Now let's enjoy the views across Kingston and St. Andrew this Christmas season. We have another interesting video after this one, so please stick around for it. See you then. Oh, before we go, we did promise that if you watched to the end, you would qualify to win a prize. Well, we will give away 2 prizes to 2 different persons. To qualify, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and then write the word subscribed in the comment section below. If you have already subscribed, just write the words already subscribed. 2 persons will be chosen at random and your prizes will be sent to you. All the best from Jamaican Insider, and once again, Merry Christmas.